If you want to deploy a custom application that has multiple DLLs, executables, or dependencies, and that application hasn't already been permitted in ThreatLocker, either through a built-in policy or a previous custom policy, you can use learning mode to track all of the changes required to run the new application. Learning mode can be started a few different ways, but if you're pushing software out through a remote management tool or software deployment tool, it's easier to start learning mode from the computers page. Before you install the software on the first computer, we recommend that you use a test machine or a clean machine to push the application out to. In the ThreatLocker portal, select the machine you want to push the software to first and select Start Learning Mode. If you're doing an update to a custom application that's previously been installed, you can select that from this list. If it's a new installation, you can simply select New Installation, enter a name for the application. You can pick, do you want to permit this for the entire organization, an individual computer group, or a single computer? If you're deploying software such as a MSP management tool and you wish to push it out to all of your clients, we recommend you select the global group under computers. Learning mode is scheduled from a start and an end time. It defaults to an hour long and you can end it earlier. This notice here notifies users logged into the computers that they're in learning mode. If you don't wish any users to be notified that their computer is in learning mode, you can enter a username here such as your administrator account or even just something like ThreatLocker to stop them using it. This defines which method is used to track files. When we're doing an installation, we typically want to track installed files as part of the installation. Once we're happy with our settings, we can hit Start Learning Mode. The computer will go into learning mode within 60 seconds. Wait for about 60 seconds to make sure it is in learning mode, uncheck when the computer's checked in again, and then push out the software using your RMM. You'll notice in the audit during the installation, the new files being installed are being tracked, and you'll be able to expand them and see details of them. Once the installation is complete, hit End. You'll notice that a new policy has been created to permit the new application. You'll also notice a new definition for that application and all of the files required to run it have been created. Now that you've completed it on your first computer, you do not need to take any other actions in ThreatLocker unless you wish to deploy it to other clients. If you are pushing out to multiple clients and you did use learning mode for the global group, you should deploy policies to all of your clients before you push the agent out. Go to the organization's page, select the top button here to select all and hit deploy policies. Within 60 seconds, all of your clients will now be able to run that new software. You can use your RMM or any other software deployment tool to push out that new application.